Hello everyone. So today's topic is trigonometry part 2, that is trigonometric ratio of multiple and submultiple angles. So if cos A is equal to, first question, if cos A is equal to 0.4, then find the value of cos of 3A. So basically here, first of all, cos 3A is equal to 4 into cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay, so wherever cos A is there, you have to replace cos A with 0.4. So in the next line, it is like 4 into 0.4 cube, then minus sign, and 3 into 0.4, and then basic mathematical calculation, and you will get this answer, that is minus 0.944. Now same way, you have to try with yourself only. Like for example, if the question is if sine A is equal to 0.4, then find the value of sine of 3A. Okay, that I think you all can try. It is very easy if you know the formula for sine of 3A. So that is all about the first question. Second question, if sine A is equal to 1 upon 2, then find sine 3A. So first of all, sine 3A is equal to 3 into sine A minus 4 into sine cube A. That is the formula. So wherever sine A is there, you have to replace sine A with 1 upon 2. So in the next line, it is like 3 into 1 upon 2, then minus sign, and then 4 into 1 upon 2 cube. And then some basic mathematical calculation, and you will get answer as what? 1. Now similar way, you can try with yourself, like find the value of tan A if tan of A upon 2 is equal to 0.6. So first of all, you have to check the formula for tan A. Okay, and wherever tan A upon 2 is there in that formula, you have to replace with 0.6. So that is all about the second question. Now the third question, it is like prove that. Okay, so like prove that sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta equal to tan of theta upon 2. So first of all, left hand side, that is the sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So now like before we go ahead with this formula, okay, the basic formula for sine of 2 theta. What is sine of 2 theta? It is 2 into sine theta into cos theta. But that is for sine of 2 theta. Here in the question, it is sine of only theta. Okay, so here 2 into sine of theta upon 2 into cos of theta upon 2. Okay, it is like multiple, half. Like it here in the numerator, it is only 1 theta. So what is half of 1? 1 upon 2. Same way, denominator 1 plus cos theta. So we know one formula, like 1 plus cos of 2 theta. Okay, it is equal to 2 cos square theta. But here it is not 2 theta. Here it is only theta. Okay, so it becomes 2 into cos square theta upon 2. So now here cancellation of 2. Then 1 cos theta upon 2 will get cancelled. So sine of theta upon 2 in the numerator and cos of theta upon 2 in the denominator. And we know one basic formula like sine upon cos. What is sine upon cos? Tan. So final answer is what? Tan theta upon 2, and which is equal to right hand side. This way. Okay. Now next question, again prove that it is sine of 3 theta upon sine theta, then minus sine cos of 3 theta upon cos theta equal to what? 2. So first of all, left hand side, okay, that is sine of 3 theta upon sine theta, and then minus sine, and then cos of 3 theta upon cos theta. So obviously we have total 2 terms, but denominators are different. Like in first term, denominator is sine theta, and second term denominator is what? Cos theta. So cross multiplication, or you can say that LCM. Okay, so it becomes sine of 3 theta multiplied with cos theta, then minus sine, and cos of 3 theta multiplied with what? Sine theta. And denominator it will be like sine theta into cos theta. Okay, now look at the numerator term. Like it is similar to one of the formula, that is sine of A minus B. Okay, sine of A minus B means what? Sine A into cos B, then minus sine, and then cos A into sine B. So here instead of A and B, we have 3 theta and theta. Okay, so numerator we are writing sine of 3 theta minus theta. Denominator we are writing as it is only. Now 3 minus 1, obviously 2. So sine of 2 theta in the numerator, and denominator again as it is only. Now sine 2 theta, basic formula, sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. So we are writing 2 sine theta into cos theta in numerator, again denominator as it is. So cancellation of numerator denominator, sine theta and cos theta, and we will get what? 2, which is equal to right hand side, and hence proved. Next question, again prove that. So prove that 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta, numerator, then denominator 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta is equal to tan of theta upon 2. So here left hand side, like you all can see here, we have 1 plus sine theta. Okay, now for this type of question, we have to rearrange the terms first. Like we do not have any formula for 1 plus sine theta, no. But we know one formula, that is 1 minus cos theta. Similarly, denominator 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so what we will do in step number 1, rearrange the terms. So this is how we are writing 1, then minus cos theta first we are writing, and then plus sine theta. Just rearrange the terms. Similarly, denominator we are writing 1 plus cos theta and then plus sine and sine theta. Okay, so what is 1 minus cos theta? It is 2 sine square theta upon 2. Then plus sine. Again, what is sine theta? It is 2 into sine of theta upon 2 into cos of theta upon 2. Okay, like similar to sine of 2 theta, but here it is only sine theta. Now denominator 1 plus cos theta. Okay, the answer is what? 2 cos square theta upon 2, then plus sine, and again formula for sine theta, it is 2 into sine theta upon 2 into what? Cos theta upon 2. Now in the numerator, two things are common. Like this is your first term and this is your second term, full this. Okay, so common is what? First is 2 is common in both the terms. Okay, and one more thing is common is sine theta upon 2, here 2 times and here 1 time. Okay, so we'll take 2 sine theta upon 2 common. So inside the bracket it will be sine theta upon 2 plus cos theta upon 2. That is numerator. Similarly in denominator also 2 is common. Okay, and then cos theta upon 2 is 2 times in the first term and 1 time in the second term. So we'll take 2 into cos theta upon 2 common. So inside the bracket it will be cos theta upon 2 plus sine theta upon 2. So this bracket will get cancelled out. And this 2 also will get cancelled out. So sine upon cos, sine theta upon 2 upon cos theta upon 2. So it becomes what? Tan theta upon 2, which is equal to right hand side, and we can say hence proved. Now this is very important question actually, that prove that, okay, like root, then 2 plus, again root, and 2 plus 2 cos of 4 theta equal to 2 cos theta. Okay, this is very important question. So first of all we will write left hand side as it is only question. So what exactly you all have to do is, you start with the inner root first, okay, and try to remove all the inner roots, then only you will get this right hand side answer. Okay, so what we will do in this step number 1, like this is your inner root. Okay, so 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta, what is common in this? 2. So in the next step we are writing 2 as common, and inside the bracket it will be 1 plus cos of 4 theta, and this root, that is main root, and 2 plus will remain as it is only. Again in the next and main root, then 2 plus will remain as it is only. This 2 will also remain as it is. Okay, but after that, what is 1 plus cos of 4 theta? 1 plus cos of 4 theta, okay, it is equal to 2 cos square, and it will be 2 theta, because what is half of 4? 2. Okay, so now what is 2 into 2? 4, and this cos square 2 theta. Okay, this you will get root of 2 plus and again root of 4 cos square 2 theta. Now how to remove this root? What is root 4? 2, and this cos square, so square and root will get cancelled out. So what you will get, the main root, then this 2n plus as it is, and for this part you will get 2 cos of 2 theta. Okay, again same procedure. Now what is common in this? 2 is common, so we are taking 2 common, then inside the bracket 1 plus cos of 2 theta, and then again this 2 we are writing as it is. What is 1 plus cos of 2 theta? It is 2 cos square theta. Now what is 2 into 2? 4. What is root 4? 2. And this cos square and root will get cancel out. What you will get? Cos theta, which is equal to what? Right hand side. And you can say hence what? Proof. So this is how you have to solve this type of question actually. Okay. Next question is if, just 1 minute, if 10a is equal to 1 upon 2, 10b is equal to 1 upon 3, then find the value of 10 of 2a plus b. Okay, it is actually easy, like 10 of 2a plus b, like we know one formula 10 of a plus b. It is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a into 10b. It is in terms of a and b. But instead of a, what is given? 2a. So we'll write the same formula but in terms of 2a. So it becomes 10 2a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10 2a into 10b. Okay, but now the question is value for 10 2a. So first of all, separately we are going to solve, or we are going to find the answer for 10 of 2a. So the formula is what? 2 10a upon 1 minus 10 square a. Okay, so wherever 10a is there, you have to replace 10a with what? 1 upon 2. And here you will get the answer for 10 of 2a. And after that, you can use this formula, this one, and then replace 10 2a with 4 upon 3 and 10b with 1 upon 3. And then only you will get final answer. That is nothing but what? 5. So here are these some questions which you have to solve with yourself only. So first question, if a is equal to 60 degree, okay, then verify that 10 of 2a is equal to 2 10a upon 1 minus 10 square a. So basically what you have to do here is left hand side is what? 10 2a. So that you have to solve separately. Like angle A is 60 degree, angle A. So 10 of 2 into 60. What is 10 of 2 into 60? 10 of 120 degree. Now 10 of 120 degree, how to find? Like 10, then bracket 2 into 90 degree, then minus 60 degree, that kind of concept, that even method and everything. And you will get one answer for left hand side. Similarly, you solve for right hand side part. 2 into 10 of 60 upon 1 minus 10 square 60. Again you will get one answer for right hand side, and then you have to check. If both the answers are same, then we can say it is what? Proved. So same way, like angle A is 60 only, but now in terms of cos, like cos of 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square. This is what you have to prove. Again here also you have to solve left hand side part first. You will get one answer. Then solve right hand side part. And if both the answers are same, then obviously we can say hence what? Proved. Second question. Given things are 10 of a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. 10 of a minus b is equal to 77 upon 36. Then find the value for what? 10 of 2a. So it is similar to like allied angle or compound angle chapters actually. Like here we can say that let a plus b is equal to x, capital X, or a minus b is equal to capital Y, for example. Then we can say like adding these two equations, what you will get? 2a is equal to x plus y, yes or no? Similar to that. Then we can say that add 10 on both the side, so it becomes 10 of 2a is equal to 10 of x plus y. Then you know, like 10 of a plus b formula and all that things, and easily you will get the answer for 10 of 2a. Okay, again it is easy only. Now third question, if cos A is equal to 1, so third and fourth are like similar only, like cos A is given and tan A is given, and you have to find cos 3 and you have to find tan 2A. So if you know the formula, you can easily get the answer. It's very simple and basic level. Now the question number 5th is like prove that, and 6th also prove that, like something is given on left hand side and something is given on right hand side. Like obviously the hint will be like here on right hand side it is tan of only theta, means we want answer in the angle as theta only. So try to reduce this 2 theta part and keep theta part as it is only, because we want answer in theta. Here also like sec of 2 theta, so try to reduce sec 2 theta in such a way that we get theta. Okay, because we do not want answer in the form of 2 theta. Okay, so that is the hint for this two question. Then I think this is similar only, like you start from this root. Okay, start from here, try to remove this root, then again here, then solve, try to remove this root, again here, solve, and obviously you have to remove last root also, then only you will get this answer. Okay, then question number 8, prove that. Again it is same, sine of 9 theta upon sine 3 theta minus cos of 9 theta upon cos theta equal to 2, cross multiplication and everything. Then again this is also like find tan 2a if tan a is equal to what, 1 upon 2. Okay, so obviously if you know the formula for tan of 2a, it is easy. Now same way last question, now tan a is equal to 3, tan b is equal to 2. Find the value of tan of 2a plus b and tan of a plus 2b. So it is like based on the concept of tan of a plus b formula. Okay, but here at some point you have to find the answer for tan of 2a. Okay, and same way you have to find the answer for tan of 2b. Okay, and then only you will get the final answer. So that is all about trigonometric ratio of multiple and submultiple angles. So thank you everyone.